There comes a time in every woodworker's journey in which cornhole boards have to be made. Now is my time. I have a customer who needs cornhole boards, so that's what we're gonna make today. And there's a million videos out there that go step by step how to make these. So I'm probably not going to do that, but you can watch me make them. And I'm gonna use some unique materials. I've got a bunch of barnwood. So all of this came from a barn a few miles north of my house, and it looks awesome. It looks like it might be oak. I'm not sure. So we're gonna use this to make the frames of the boards. And I have some 3/4 inch plywood for the top. And then we're gonna do a vinyl decal wrap over the entire top. And that image is of like a rustic planky look. So I think it's gonna look really cool with these boards. I think that's manure. We got some mail today. This should be the vinyl wrap. I haven't opened it. Let's see what they look like. Very cool. And it's only pretty good with the planks we got. I'm gonna measure these, get the exact size, then I can cut up my frame and cut up my plywood. These come oversized, which is great. They're 49 inches long, 25 inches wide, plenty of material, so I can get my plywood cut and then trim it after I've already stuck this onto the plywood. I used some remnants from the legs to make my own edge banding, and this is just going to make the panel a little bit more durable out in the dirt and the mud and everything. So I am going to simply glue this onto the edge and use some blue tape to hold it in place until it dries. We didn't get as far as I really wanted to, but I can't really complain about the progress. We got the frames made, we got some really cool joinery, nice handles. I'm still gonna put some screws in there to get all this tightened up. And we made our own hardwood edge banding, so that's gonna look really cool on these boards. So please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll know whenever I post my next video, continuing to work on this project, and maybe share this video with somebody who's looking to make some cornhole boards themselves. Until we meet again, get in your shop and build something awesome.